Hey guys, Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer here. So I figured I'd make some videos on some of my Hoovers and Eurekas. So I'm gonna start off with my Hoover Sprint. I'm gonna have one video for each machine I use today. So this is my Hoover Sprint. It's a childhood vac. This one in particular is not the same one that we had, but we had a Sprint just like it, except it had no attachments or adjuster, so it was just a plain model. I had that growing up, and my parents threw it out because it broke. Well, it didn't break, but it was getting close to breaking. But 7 years after that happened, I find this one. So here we go. I'm going to run it now. Alright, that was my Hoover Sprint. I'll have more up soon.